Hi everyone out there in computer land, it's Bill Greenberg with PhoneScholar.com. Happy Cinco de Mayo, it's May 5th, 2010, and here's a couple things going on. Just want to let you know I'm mixing up my stories a little bit. The top one on the blog is going to be the last one I talk about today because I think it's the most important story. Microsoft and Verizon have announced that the Kin 1 and 2 are going to be available online tomorrow through VCW.com. And then in the brick-and-mortar stores and the Verizon Wireless stores on May 13th. The Kin 1 is going to be $49.99 minus a $100 mail-in debit card rebate, and the Kin 2 is going to be $99.99. I did a previous story on these to show you to them. There's a little video on there, and then when they start doing actual reviews, I'll have a video on that also, so watch out for that. Pan Digital has announced that they have rolled out a 3G digital photo frame, which is really cool. You can now just email directly your pictures directly to the frame. You don't have to necessarily download them anymore from a card, although you can still do that. While I know this is not cellular news for PhoneScholar.com, it's still wireless, so hopefully you'll enjoy that. Mother's and Father's Day is coming up. It's a great gift. 150 bucks. They did show in the demo that the downloads right now are a little bit slow. It's working on the AT&T 3G network, so if you have great 3G coverage, I'm sure the downloads won't be nearly as slow. It's free. You get for free 300 pictures download, and for each additional 100 pictures it's $9.99. The couple in Maryland went to the funeral of a 17-year-old girl who was in a car accident due to texting, and right after that John Sinonis and his wife Joanna, John is a software developer and Joanna is a business development expert, came up with a software called ProTexter. And what this does is it's going to block incoming, outgoing text messages and phone calls from while you're driving. It works on a GPS system. Right now it's only downloadable for Windows Mobile for your phones, and the phones have to have GPS, but according to their website, all the other formats are going to be coming real soon. I think it's a great thing. Basically, an administrator sets the amount of speed that the software will kick in once you download it to your phone. It uses GPS in your car to detect this. And then once that's going, you can no longer send out messages, receive messages, either text or phone. And what happens is if somebody calls you in, they'll get a message saying, "I'm driving now, I'll call you later." This is a great thing because now government agencies, buses, companies that use trucks, companies that use any type of driver literally can now shut down trains. For those of us in Southern California a few years ago that had a horrible train wreck, they said the conductor was texting. Well, if his phone was shut down, possibly that wouldn't have happened. In fact, the Maryland General Counsel has said that they're putting a complete phone ban using phones in the cars as of October 1st. Not just with a wireless device, it appears, but a complete ban. And I think you're going to see that happening more and more often. Of course, parents can use this for their kids' stuff. It sounds like a really great thing. It's a $19.95 download. As I said, right now it's only for Windows Mobile, but I'm sure the other ones are going to be coming out real soon. And they are offering right now a 30-day free trial. So go to www.protexter.com, check it out. It looks like a real good thing. In the categories section, not on the blog, but just in categories, check out Clearwire and Sprint is rolling out more cities for their 4G WiMAX. You can see if your city's on there. And then if you want to upgrade to the 4G phone, some really cool things happening with that. Looks like they're really trying to get a jump ahead of Verizon's LTE rollout, 4G LTE rollout at the end of the year. T-Mobile is putting some of their own spin on their Android phone, the MyTouch 3G, to try to stay ahead of the Android market and make it more appealing for Android people to go to T-Mobile. And then finally, Google announces that they're doing, they're going to make available ebooks, just like Microsoft, or the Kindle and the Nook and the iPad. It looks like they're going to go compete against them, so the ebook war begins. That's going to happen in June or July. The advantage with Google is they're going to have it on many, many different devices. Any of their Android or Google phones, plus their website. So, again, something really cool to look out for. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.